Hold on. No pinky little brother this. Yo. Theo. How do you foot?
Pinky use other man steal two shoes and hit me in my foot.
What do you mean by other man?
Other man, she said, I never tell nobody because my mouth bust like a pipe.
Your mouth boss?
Yeah, like pipe. You know, and that run.
Hold on, so where that the other man they come from?
I don't want to get no more kicking on my foot.
You know I get no more kick? Hold this.
But they did give me $100.
It's $100? Hold on.
So you're done? You have no money?
How much is?
How much money that?
$100.
Nah, $100 have a green color like bush.
Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Hold on.
So yeah, take too long now, I don't like surprise.
$100 that man.
So this can buy bigger soda.
Of course. Back in my day you could have buy.
Back in your day?
Yeah.
No, sir. You sound like you're old.
I'm not that old.
Your age drop off a calendar?
Could be.
I don't want this.
You don't want it? Give me. You want one bigger?
Yeah.
Come buy one bigger.
Yeah.
Come buy one bigger. Come.
I don't know your shop.
Don't have a shop.